Welcome to our daily movement session. Today we're going to do a little stretching and cardio. So let's get started with just a simple step and reach up and over. We're going to do 3 movements where we're going to stretch, and then we're going to take those movements and we're going to do them with a little bit more pace so that we can build amazing cardiovascular endurance. Then we'll do 3 more exercises where we stretch and use those ones to do some beautiful cardio movements. Follow along with me. Choose your own adventure throughout the whole session. Step and really reach up and over. Feel yourself getting long in the movement, really stretching things out. Let's bring ultimate presence into every single movement we do for the next 10 minutes or so. Breathe into the movement and out. Feel your spine decompressing. Get really long in the sacrum. Reach that arm up and over. Beautiful. Okay, now arms are going to come up as well as our leg. Slow and steady with this movement. Really flow through it. Intentional, head up high. We're building balance and mobility, stretching out our arms and shoulders as we reach high into the sky. Get that leg up as high as possible. Find the flow. Let's go. Ultimately coming here, energy elevated, mood boosted. I know of no better way to break free from overthinking than stepping outside and moving our bodies, being inside and moving our bodies. Oh yes. Whoa, let's try one more. If you lose your balance, smile. How wonderful. Okay, now step back with one foot and the opposite hand comes forward. A skier stretch here. Again, feel like you're getting real long in the movement. Reach a hand out as far as possible. Point your toe back. Stretch it out. Ooh. Reach out to me. Let's shake hands. Reach, reach, reach. Yeah. Head up. Even pick a spot on the horizon that you can give laser-like attention to. And move with absolute focus and attention. Reach out a little further. Okay. One more to each side. Nicely done. Now we're going to take all 3 of those movements and pick up the pace a bit. Join me and let's go a little bit faster, okay? So it was our side step and reach. But let's go. Hopefully the body's feeling warm and loose. Find a pace that works for you. And move. See if you can't bring your hand behind your back. Build that mobility in the upper back, shoulders, as well as getting the heart rate up. Let's release those feel-good chemicals. Yeah, so dopamine, this is the way to get our dopamine hit. Yeah. A little faster, come on. All right, excellent. Now, arms up, bring the knee up. With pace, head up high. You can breathe into the movement. Real presence. Try to get those arms up a little higher. Get that leg up. Yeah. A little faster. Come on, we got it. Yeah, okay. Now, the skier stretch. Remember, rather than getting extra long, we're gonna go extra quick. Still reach it out, point that toe back. but a little pace. Head up high, yeah. Pick that spot and go. A little faster? Yeah, we got it. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to do 3 more exercises where we just stretch it out. We're going to open up our chest, tap our foot to the side, breathe in and out. Follow along. Bring your shoulder blades together if you can. Really pull back, stretch it out. Notice when you connect to your breath how much more quickly you recover. Maybe that's better. Breathe in and out. Yeah. Oh. Last one here. Just pull back. Pull those arms back further, further, further. Open up a little grander. Yeah. Wonderful. Okay. Now let's twist. Come down. Twist and rise. There we go. Down. Twist and rise. Down. Come on up. Real slow and steady. This is a great movement for building leg strength, but also stretching out the back. Twist into it. Turn your head and look behind. Nice and easy for this one. Get down a little deeper. Twist a little further. Great. Last one here. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to tap our heel, bend down. Ground your heel, bend down. Then we come up. There we go. So down for 2, up for 2. Just nice and easy. Really stretch into it. Feel that great hamstring stretch. Oh, stretching the upper back and the shoulders. Yeah. Easy. Oh, let's go. We're going to pick up the pace here in just a moment. Are you ready? Okay, so we're opening up the chest, tapping our foot with pace. Let's go. Just 3 more movements with a bit of pace to finish off this session. So we'll be feeling amazing after. Let's go. Really open it up. Tap that foot as quickly as you can. See if you can't get a little bouncy. Don't forget to smile. We get to move our bodies today. Okay, one more. Excellent. We were sinking and twisting. Now, just flow with it. Just move a little bit more quickly than we were before. Not so concerned with stretching as we are with moving with a little vigor. Yeah, a little more vitality. Let's take this vitality through our day. Oh yes. Go. You got it. Stick with me. Last one here. Okay, with pace. Remember, step and reach. Step, and then up, up, down for a couple. Go as quickly as you can. It's our last movement for this session, so give it everything you got. Head up, get down, yeah. One more, here we go. Get there, get down, get up, get up. Yes, it worked. Mood elevated. energy is definitely boosted. Thank you so much. Join me. Let's calm everything down so we can carry on. I'm going to come back to the simple penguin. We've done this for a few days in a row after having an injury and being able to do this relatively simple movement. I am so grateful. It's amazing what an injury will do to help us to gain perspective and to truly appreciate what we can do with these amazing bodies. So now, just move back and forth. We're building balance, core stability. I'm just going to come into prayer because I just feel so grateful to be alive. Close your eyes if you like and just notice. Connect to your breath. Breathe very intentionally and notice how quickly you recover when you're really mindful and conscious about your breathing. And let's just be here for the next few seconds or so. Oh, last one here. Yeah. That worked. I feel great. Thank you so much for being here. You truly do make this place incredibly special just by being you. I will see you tomorrow. God bless.